In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning glowing text effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you're looking to add a dynamic touch to your video projects, mastering this technique can really set your work apart. Let's dive right in and unlock the secrets of this eye-catching effect. We'll begin our journey in the Fusion page of DaVinci Resolve. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating complex visual effects and motion graphics. If you haven't explored this part of the program yet, don't worry. Fusion's node-based interface might seem a bit daunting at first, but with a step-by-step approach, you'll find it quite intuitive. To get started, we need to add the soft glow effect. This is the core component of our glowing text. You can initiate this by using a simple keyboard shortcut. Press either Shift plus space or Control plus space. This brings up the tool search bar, a handy feature that allows you to quickly find and add effects or nodes without having to navigate through menus. In the search bar, type in Soft Glow. This particular effect is fantastic for creating a smooth, radiant glow that doesn't overpower your text, but enhances its visual appeal. Once you've located the soft glow effect in the search results, simply click on it. You'll notice there's an option to add it, so go ahead and click Add. This action places the soft glow node into your Fusion node tree. Now, you have a wide array of options to customize your text and make it glow just the way you envision. At this stage, you can tweak various parameters within the soft glow node to fine-tune the appearance of your glowing text. Play around with the glow size and glow intensity to get the look that best suits your project. The key here is to experiment. Small adjustments can have a big impact on the final outcome, giving your text either a subtle glow or a more pronounced radiant effect. Keep in mind that the Fusion page is incredibly powerful with a variety of options and tools at your disposal. Don't hesitate to explore further if you're curious about other effects or techniques. DaVinci Resolve's comprehensive toolkit allows for a lot of creativity, and as you grow more comfortable within the software, you'll find yourself experimenting with more advanced features to elevate your projects even further. That's it for creating a glowing text effect in DaVinci Resolve. With these few steps, you're well on your way to adding a captivating professional touch to your videos. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Happy editing!